Today we'll talk about stress management techniques. We will see the three general causes of stress. The first basic cause of stress is mixture of multitasking, too much ambition and too much activity. Actually, this combination robs us of time for contemplation, for relaxation and cooking healthy food. The second cause is self-imposed perspective. Actually, it leads to an overblown sense of responsibility and tremendous fear of impending doom. A third source of stress is unavoidable external circumstances like some illness, accidents, or the sickness or death of parents or children. Such factors also may rob us of time to devote to cooking, contemplation, and other self nurturing practices. One very important thing to note, if you feel your lifestyle is great and you are not suffering from stress, then there is no need to fix what went broke. The real problem is basically how to get started, from where one should start when he or she is feeling stressed. The first thing we need to do is to get rid of poisons like alcohol, drugs, cigarettes, tobacco, non organic coffee, excess caffeine, refined sugar, trans fats, highly processed foods. One can also begin by addressing big stressors like neglected or poisonous relationships or jobs. Now today we will discuss two techniques. One is Abhyanga and second is basic deep breathing. Abhyanga is a Sanskrit word for a warm oil massage. Now we know the importance of Abhyanga is when we cover the skin with warm oil, it calms the nervous system. Nervous system becomes less hypervigilant and less oversensitized. It decreases the release of stress hormones. Hence, by using the technique of Abhyanga warm oil self-massage, our endocrine system regains a healthy balance. The second technique is basic deep breathing. It is best done when the stomach is empty and there is fresh air. Now, talking about steps, lie on your back with a pillow under your knees. Place your hands over your lower abdomen. Breathe through your nose throughout this entire exercise. Close your eyes. Feel your breath filling first your lower abdomen, then middle, then upper body. Keep the attention here a few seconds and then allow your exhale, still breathing only through your nose, to very slowly. Continue breathing like this for about 5 minutes. If emotions come up very natural, then continue to focus on the breath rather than on the emotions. This type of breathing supports digestion of emotional memories and experiences. Breathing like this is a medicine in and of itself. Try breathing like this at least 5 minutes morning and evening. So finally, stress leads to thought disturbances, and Abhyanga and deep breathing relaxes our nervous system. Please subscribe, share, like and comment for new issues.